Coronacation. It's day 75.
And we're celebrating with cookies!
That's right.
Andrew, today is all about cookies, and I have some double stuffed Oreos. Do you know Oreo is one of the most highly anticipated and loved brands in the world?
I know that.
You do?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
I'm curious to see what you know later.
About cookies?
I got a game for him.
Oh, man. Your games are hard. I understand now what you mean by losing every game. I'm curious, what is your favorite cookie?
Hands down. Wait. Brand-wise or just in general?
In general. If you're like, all right, Liam, I want you to make me my favorite cookie. Can you make me a?
Chocolate chip cookie. That's my favorite.
Chocolate chip.
Yep. It's just, you can't go wrong with chocolate chip cookie.
You can. You can put too much baking soda in it.
You could, but
then it's wrong.
But I'd probably still eat it. It's chocolate chip.
Oh,
I'll tell you who makes some of the best chocolate chip cookies.
Grandma?
Tyler Woodard.
Tyler
and his
Woodard
crew
does make good
They
cookies.
make, man, those Woodard cookies.
How cool would it be if he could teach Coronacation how to do that?
I think it would be awesome.
Tyler,
You think?
I'm gonna call you here in a minute. You better make some cookies and show us your secret recipe. Oh, cool. Let's do it. All right, for now though.
Wait, what's your favorite cookie?
It goes by many names. Some people call it the preacher cookie, which makes me lean in because I'm like, oh.
Jesus make that?
Some people call it no bake.
No bake?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I know where you're going with this.
I don't know what other people call it, but I'm sure they call it another thing. It's like the no bake cookie. It's oatmeal, chocolate powder, and sugar, and more sugar, and brown sugar, and some other sugar, and some butter. And then you cook it like on the stove and make it into blobs, but you don't actually bake it.
It just kind of hardens as it... Not hardens, it's not really a hard cookie, is it?
It's just delightful.
Yeah,
kind of like a fudge cookie. So if you want to make some of those for me, you can bring them by the church.
I'm a little disappointed that you don't have some with
time. Actually, I threw some away yesterday. They expired.
Same
They
applies
were
for
growing mold. It was gross.
chocolate chip cookies. I'll take them anytime.
With mold. He
No.
loves moldy cookies. No. All right, well, today let's play a game with cookies. It's one of my favorites of all time.
I think I know what you're gonna do.
Grab yourself a cookie.
This is way better than yesterday's game, Corey.
It is way better than yesterday's game. I still have that flavor in my mouth.
It's so bad.
This game is called Face the Cookie. You can play at home. You can just push pause, run and grab a cookie, and then unpause it. Done. All right, so you have your cookie. You put it on your forehead. You got some cookie residue on your forehead.
I may have already put it up there.
Okay, I was confused. And you got to wiggle your face muscles and your eyebrows and your eye muscles and your cheeks to get the cookie from your forehead to your mouth. It's just Face the Cookie. It's a simple game, except for doing it. That's hard. So you want to see who can beat each other?
Sure, you want to try?
Yeah, you got a mustache, so that's...
Yeah, it's friction.
Does that make it easier?
I don't know. I have a bigger forehead, too.
All right, are you ready? I like to keep my hands here, just in case. You're going?
Oh, yeah, I'm going. Sorry. Oh! 5-second rule!
Due to coronavirus, it's now a 3-second rule.
Oh, I think I got the other fast enough. Oh! No! It was in my mouth.
Partial credit. Another game, Andrew, I guess, lost.
I did make it in my mouth. I was just talking, and it fell out.
You showed good determination, though. Hopefully, right now, we're going to be able to turn things over to the Woodards, who are going to share their secret family recipe. If not, it's just going to be an awkward transition to something other than that. I don't know. Remember, we have to pivot. We have to be flexible. And you never know. Tyler might have to actually work a real job and not just make silly YouTube
Maybe
videos
back to work now.
all day.
Have you ever smiled after chewing Oreos?
Cookie day,
So
75.
This is our awkward transition, yeah? If there's no recipe.
I think it's going to be that.
I think so too.
Tyler, don't let us down. Let's check it out. Turning it over to you, Tyler Woodard.
Hey, Coronacation. Tyler Woodard. We're back in the Woodard kitchen for another round of dessert baking. Tonight's special, or this evening's special, I should say, is the one and only super secret chocolate chip cookies. Corey has been asking for this recipe for as long as I've not quite known him, but brought him that first cookie and he put it to his lips and I haven't told him. So here you are, Corey. This is your gift. You're welcome. I'm having a hard time parting with this one, but it's all for you guys, all for Coronacation. Okay, so chocolate chip cookies, there's quite a few ingredients. We have, of course, chocolate chips. These look like Aldi special. Sugar, salt, wannabe vanilla. Real vanilla, you can get the real one. I can't tell the difference. More salt, don't know where that came from. 2 eggs. 2 sticks of butter. It wouldn't be Georgia if you didn't use butter. Baking soda. And flour. And then you may see this peanut butter here. We'll get to that in a minute. All right, so let's get to mixing. So you preheat your oven, 350, 335, 340, 350, somewhere in between there. We'll just kind of look at the first batch and tell. All right, we're gonna get the mixer going. Lock it. Don't want to find it. Turn it on. Okay, lots of sugar, obviously, in chocolate chip cookies. I don't know how many calories or any of that mess. I don't really care. You do 1/4 cup. It's a 1/4 cup scoop. 2, 3, and the same. Oh, look at that! My arm right in the shot. The same amount of regular sugar in there too. 1, 2, 3, and then the butter goes in. You can smell the goodness. Butter. Oh yeah. Now you let that mix up a little bit. Can't put your eggs in right away. It's a process. You gotta be patient. Patience. Through the spirit. All right. So it's getting nice and smooth. And then this is important. You add your eggs one at a time, and you let them get mixed before you add the next egg. And hopefully you don't get any shells in there. I've had that happen before. And they're fun fishing out. Or some kid gets lucky and gets that cookie. And you let your egg mix all the way. All right. And then we add our second egg. 2 eggs only required. All right. After the egg, we'll do 2 1/4 cups of flour. So that would be 9 divided by a whole, something like that. 9 of these guys. And you let it mix a little each time. So 1, mix it up, 1 notch on the mixer. 2. I think this is all-purpose flour because that's all they had last time at the store. But you can use any flour you want, except maybe bread flour. I've never made cookies with bread flour. 3, 4. 5. All right, now I have 5. Gotta remember that number because we're gonna add some different ingredients. We're gonna add our baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. It can be any salt, kosher, sea salt. This is Himalayan salt. This will be good for you. It's salt. It goes in. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, real or fake. Again, I can't taste the difference. Oh, look, this is a half teaspoon. I'm glad I caught that. We're gonna double this up. And we're gonna double up our soda and salt too, or that would be the special cookies that Corey so loves. And he do that down, and I have to explain it to the church. And I'd be fired from 4, 5, 6. Oh man, disastrous. All right, Levi and Liam. I can't remember what scoop I was on. Was it 5 or 7? You're gonna have to help me out. I think it was 5. Hopefully I'm right. 5, 6. If I'm not right, you guys, it's your fault. Oh, lady cameo. He smells the goodness. 7. 2 more. 8. Oh man, being so doughy, you can smell how good. And a 9er. Oh look, the oven's ready, just in time. Now, the moment Mr. Corey has been waiting for, since I've known him, the secret ingredient to my secret ingredient chocolate chip cookies is peanut butter, Corey. What? Peanut butter? So, unless I make them for Hudson Mosier, which I have before, I don't put peanut butter in them, because he's allergic to peanuts. But he still enjoys them, and he's won them before in the game, and those didn't have peanut butter in it. And it's just, Corey, I don't know how much peanut butter it is, I just take a scoop out of my peanut butter jar, and I just kind of let it, mix in. I've never measured it, so you'll have to play with that yourself and figure out, is it 1 tablespoon? I don't know. Alright, we got some leftover chocolate chips from last time. These are mini, sweet, semi-sweet chocolate chips, so we're going to use all of them. Because you can never have too many chocolate chips for chocolate chip cookies. And then I have the ones I showed at the beginning, dark chocolate. Oh yeah. And it's supposed to use that. Do you want me to take these? Leave that one. Lots of chocolate chips. You hear that? Just bouncing around. Oh man, this is so good. I'm so excited. I wish Corey were here to enjoy these with me. Maybe I'll take some to him at City Station on Thursday night, because I'm going to URSVP, or SVP, at church. We did. We're going Thursday night. We won't shake hands or hug though. We'll say hello to our mask. Alright, here we go. Unveiling, kind of. Look at that. Oh man, I'm gonna be so excited. Lady's even excited, even though she won't get it. This is the part where I let somebody lick the spoon. We'll save it for somebody. All right. Now this is important. This is very important. The cookie sheets. Could be whatever cookie sheet you want. Do not spray non-stick spray on them. If you do, the bottom of your cookies will burn. And then you'll have a nice top with a burnt bottom. Like when you go to the beach, you know, you don't put sunscreen on it. And you get a burnt bottom. Well, never mind. All right, so we're going to use a, I don't know what size scoop this is. The smallest one I have. But I also brought out a big one to show you guys big cookies. We're about to have cameo. Oh, no. Thought it was one of the kids, but he's on this way. All right, here we go. There's enough on here for 12 cookies, a cookie sheet. 12 plus 12 is what, Liam? I hope he answers. I don't know. I didn't go to school this semester. We'll see how your homeschool teacher did. All right, we got our cookie dough trayed up. The magic of TV, you didn't see me do that boring step. It's going in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, based on how your oven cooks.
I can't wait.
Oh, he's here. Middle rack, very important. Not the top rack, not the bottom rack. Middle rack, those bad boys. And now we wait. And thanks to TV, we won't have to wait any. We get to see the finished product. Just waiting for my cookies to be done. All right, come look. We're gonna do a little peek here. You're not supposed to do this, but only for Coronacation. Oh, they're getting close. Look ready. Yes, they are. I personally, now some people like their cookies different ways. I personally like my cookies soft and chewy. My mom, for instance, likes them a little more crispier. So if you want them more crispy, leave them in the oven for, 30 seconds to a minute longer. Okay, so they have cooled down for a minute or two, and you can tell because they're a little harder, and as they cool down, they solidify, and they're easier. Now they're still hot in the middle. Mr. Jones here is trying to, I can't, he's too fast. He just told me he has real sensitive teeth, so I hope that doesn't come back to bite him. Oh. That could be the joke time. Thank you, Tyler Totfelter, for all your jokes. My kids love them. And also, shout out to you on Sunday for bringing the message. We were really impressed. That's brave to get up there in front of everybody. So kudos to you, young man. Kudos to you. As you can see, I've already devoured one cookie. My recommendation is 3 cookies and a glass of milk. That's the right way to do it. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Woodard Bakes Wonderful Cookies. Last time it was bread. Thanks. Have a good day.
All right. I'm at Andrew's house celebrating 75 episodes with one of Tyler's cookies. Let's go give it to him. It's the cookie. Oh, the boys are up. I'm gonna need more than one.
Have a share.
Hi. Andrew. Huh? Happy episode 75. There's a cookie.
Yes! Okay, Andrew, let's play your cookie trivia game. I hope it's not as hard as the color game was yesterday. All right, let's do this. Cookie trivia. I'm pretty good at eating cookies. What year was Oreo created? What year were Oreos created? 1875, 1912, 1924, 1950. Oh man, you're answering along at home too, right? I'm going with 1912B. Yes, 1. I got 1 right. I should have had cookies as a treat. How many Oreos have been sold since 1912? 200 million, 900 million, 250 billion, 500 billion. Oh, I'm going with C, 250 billion. Oh, it's double that. 500 billion. How many minutes does it take to make an Oreo cookie? 12 minutes, 28 minutes, 47 minutes, or 59 minutes? Now you gotta make it and it harden? I bet it's pretty quick though. 12 minutes. 59 minutes! Yikes. What year were Nutter Butter cookies introduced? Now salivating just thinking about it.
1959, 69, 87, or 99. I'm going with 87. 69, earlier. I'm not on a roll. Well, I'm on a bad roll. How many Nutter Butter cookies were eaten every year? 200 million, 750 million, 1 billion, 5 billion. I eat one every now and then, so I'm gonna go with 1 billion. Oh, I got one right. What are the most popular Girl Scout cookies? Thin Mints is my answer, but there's also Samoa's, Tagalongs, and Dositos. Yeah, I'm still going with Thin Mints. I really like Thin Mints. Throw them in the freezer. Oh yeah, so good. Oh boy, what is the highest selling cookie brand in America? Chips Ahoy, Oreo, Little Debbie, or Girl Scouts? Little Debbie, it's pretty popular. Chips Ahoy, I'm going with Little Debbie. Oreo? Surprise, surprise. The average American eats how many cookies in their lifetime? Oh my goodness, 80 times 365 times how many Oreos are serving? I'm going with 18,000. D. Yes, that's a lot of cookies. A study showed which kind of cookie was America's favorite. M&M, chocolate chip, peanut butter, sugar. Andrew likes chocolate chip, and I like chocolate chip. Sugar cookies are popular, but I'm going with chocolate chip. I think chocolate chip are the favorite. Yes. They're probably your favorite too, statistically speaking. What kind of cookies are in cookies and cream ice cream? Peanut butter, chocolate chip, Oreo, or sugar? I think it is Oreo cookies, possibly. Yes, a lot of Oreos on that one. Man, that was some good cookie trivia. I'm gonna need to get me some cookies. Now, I got a question. Do Tim Tams, do those count as cookies? Because I'm kind of craving a Tim Tam Slam. Anyway, it's a good time with you today, hanging out, talking about cookies. We're getting real close to the end of the month, which means you just got like a couple more opportunities to really let this determination thing settle in. Be determined, show determination, know that it's worth it to finish whatever it is you started. Even if it's an Oreo, show determination and finish that Oreo. Speaking of which, I need to go get one. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.